As you can see right now, I'm in my Twitch Stream Manager and I've started a live stream on my Twitch from Streamlabs. Now I will show you how to add a Be Right Back's scene in our Streamlabs for our Twitch stream. All you have to need, go to your browser and search for Be Right Back screen, and here open the Canva link. If you're first time in Canva, then make sure you have created a free account, and this Canva provides bunch of free and paid Be Right Back screen for your stream. You can just go ahead and pick a free one. So in my case, let's select this template, for example, and we can see the template preview. Now click on customize this template and you directly jump into the Canva template editor. From here you can easily edit your template. Let's select the text and we can see I can resize the text. I can change the text color from here just like this. So if you want to add your social media logos here, let's see how to do it. Let's search for Instagram logo, selecting image, and I'm just dragging and dropping a PNG Instagram logo to my editor just like this. And let's resize the logo and reposition the logo here. And now let's find out the Facebook logo, logo, and the same way selecting the transparent and dragging and dropping it into my editor, resizing my logo just like this and adding it here. Okay, let's add here, this one here. And now let's search for X logo and let's add this one. Okay, so that's how you can just go ahead and customize your template, Be Right Back template, and then click on share and click on download, and file type select MP4 video and just click on download to download the template. And one more thing, if you want to change this text, just double click on the text and then you'll be able to easily change your social media username here. So let's add my social media example. So that's how go ahead and customize template. Okay, once the template downloaded, go back to your Streamlabs desktop app and we have to create a new scene. So click on this plus icon and here type Be Right Back and just create the scene. Then select the Be Right Back scene and here under sources click on this plus icon and select media file, add source, and click on add source, browse, and from your computer select the Be Right Back template and I'm just turning on loop option, click on close, and we can see the Be Right Back screen successfully added. And here my main stream scene, and this is the Be Right Back scene. Once the Be Right Back scene selected, I'm going to my Twitch live stream and we can see the Be Right Back scene showing. So that's how you can actually do it.